Hi guys, how are you today? I hope that all of you are doing pretty fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty God. So in this moment, as you can see, I'm standing in my vegetable field. Look, the condition of my vegetable field. I'll show you the condition of our vegetable field. Look, this is my brinjal field, and look over there. That is my bean stage, and I'd like to show you some brinjal from my brinjal field. Look, these are brinjal flower. Look, the flowers is looking so gorgeous in this moment. This also a brinjal flower, and look, these are leaves of brinjal plants. And look over here in this plant, this is a brinjal and so fresh. And look, these are brinjal plants. These are brinjal plants, and you can see there are lots of branches of these plants. And look, there are so many flowers on these brinjal plants. And I will show you the condition of our bean stage. And look in the side, this plant, there are so much flowers, brinjal flowers in this plant. Look, these are so much brinjal flowers, and I will show you some brinjal. Look in the side, in these plants, there are some brinjal. Look, this also so fresh, but it little, but so fresh. And look in the side, this is our bean stage. And look, there are some little bud of bean. Look, these are little bean, and this is bean flowers. Look the condition of this bean flowers, and you can see there are lots of bean on these plants. And actually I'm a farmer as well as an English content creator, so that's why every single day I try to make English video and try to describe these types of object and learning English language. Actually I don't have an English speaking partner, so that's why I follow this system to learn English language. And I hope that if I practice my English every single day like this way, one day or other I'll be a very fluent English speaker. So that's why every single day I try to make video and practice my English language. And right now I'm making this video only for my English practicing purpose. So dear friends, I will tell you that if you want to learn English language, you can record yourself and practice your English like this way, because this is a very effective way to learn English language. And I learned this language without going any coaching center or without going any private center to learn English language. So dear friends, that is the main reason. And you can see the condition of this whole bean stage. As you can see the condition of this bean stage. Actually my father is a farmer as well as a day labor, but most of the time I take care of this vegetable field. So that's why this noon time I have come here to visit this place and recording this video only for my English practicing purpose. So dear friends, no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. If you enjoy this video, please do like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.